Hey everyone, so I absolutely love a Bloody Mary. I've just recently come across this Morita Chipotle Vodka, which is absolutely delicious. And they've just won an award for Best Infused Vodka. So I figured, let's chuck this in a Bloody Mary and mix it up with some of their hot sauce that's from Royal Richmon Hotel that's made out of the leftover mash from the Morita. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty, so we're gonna make this one in our mixing glass today. With our mixing glass, we are going to fill that with a fair bit of ice. Awesome, and then followed by our Morita Chipotle Vodka. We are going to do 60 mils of that straight in. Bang. Followed by 120 mils or so of our tomato. Just a little dash for good luck. And then we're going to follow that with 15 mils of our lemon juice. You can change the recipe up as much as you want. You can add as little or as much as you want. That goes for your hot sauce. That goes with your next ingredient as well, the Worcestershire. We're gonna do 4 drops of that straight in, or so. Now followed by this delicious persimmon hot sauce. Oh, now this is not too hot. I absolutely love this as well. I tried it over some eggs before just to give it a bit of a taste test, and some fried eggs paired with this would be absolutely delicious. Now I love my spice, and because there's not much in it, I am going to add a fair few drops into there. Alrighty, and we're just gonna chuck in a little bit of pepper, just on top. A wee pinch of salt, and just give that a stir. Lovely. Now you can kind of tell that stirred down because the glass itself started to get a bit frosty. I'm gonna pop that over to the side for later. Now, next thing, I like to serve my Bloody Marys in a jar. A big glass will do. Anything that holds liquid, a bucket, whatever. Anyway, I've made up here some jalapeno salt. Now we're just gonna chuck that around the rim of this. That little bit of spiciness to the rim of our glass. Now we've garnished our glass with some salt and some jalapeno around the rim. We're going to get some ice now. Just a couple of handfuls of that. Amazing. Now we're gonna grab our delicious mixture over here, and we are just simply gonna pour that into our glass. And this smells incredible. This is my go-to hangover cure, by the way. Absolutely love it. Sitting by the bar, Sunday, bring me a Bloody Mary, thank you, followed by a margarita. Anyway, we've got that cocktail ready. It's looking absolutely beautiful, but it's not finished because it needs a garnish. So we're just going to chuck in the classic celery stick with a little slice of lemon, and just top that off with a little olive. And there we go. Breakfast in a glass, a Bloody Mary. Cheers to you, cheers to me. Thanks for watching.